Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zach King videos. First, grasp the fundamental idea of visual magic, often relying on quick, clever cuts. Before you even hit record, meticulously plan your illusion, visualizing each step. Think about how everyday items can be transformed or manipulated in unexpected ways to create that signature, digital sleight of hand effect. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful video. When filming, camera stability is paramount. Always shoot from the exact same position for every take, ideally using a tripod. Maintain consistent lighting and a steady background to ensure your edits are truly invisible. Perform your actions slowly and deliberately. This gives you more frames to work with during editing, making it easier to find the perfect cut points for your magical transitions. The magic truly happens in the edit. Master jump cuts and match cuts to create those seamless, impossible transitions. Techniques like masking and rotoscoping are essential for blending different elements and making objects appear or disappear smoothly. Don't forget the power of sound design. Carefully chosen sound effects and a fitting musical score can significantly enhance the illusion and immerse your audience. For more advanced tricks, explore forced perspective and integrate practical effects directly into your shots. A sturdy tripod is invaluable for maintaining consistent camera angles, and investing in reliable editing software will streamline your workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with new ideas. Also, check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals to help you stay comfortable while creating your next masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.